What's up guys, it's Enzo from EHK Customs and I'm back again with Angelus to show you guys how to paint your very own pair of Air Jordan 1 lows. To begin the custom, we'll be getting rid of the factory finish with the Angelus deglazer. The purpose of the deglazer is to get rid of the factory finish and to prep the leather by getting the dust and dirt off of the shoe. Without the proper prep, the paint is more likely to chip or peel. To kick off the custom, I'll be using the Collector's Edition Shattered Orange, which was mixed to match the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard. Since the logo is so small and I wouldn't want it to bleed, I'll be using the paint straight from the bottle and without too soft. To paint the lining, I'll be using flat black and too soft, mixing it to a 1:1 ratio. Since too soft thins out the paint quite a bit, I'll be dabbing around the edges to prevent bleeding. This will take about 2 to 3 coats with heat setting about 3 to 5 minutes each time. Continuing with the Collector's Orange, I'll be painting the toe box, the heel, and the swoosh since it's modeled after the Shattered Backboard 3.0. As you can see, I'm being a little messy with the orange, but no need to stress because I'm going to be covering it with black afterwards. Some of you guys might want to stop right there, but I'll be continuing it by giving it my own unique look. I'll be giving it a shattered glass effect. To begin this look, I'll be using white and gray to make broken shapes with thin jagged lines. To create this translucent look, I'll be adding a couple drops of water to white paint. To complete the custom, I'll be going over it with the matte acrylic finisher. I'll be applying 1 to 2 light coats to give it a nice matte look and some extra protection. For the final touch, I'll be using some black Jordan 1 replacement laces from Lace Lab. If you guys get to try out this custom at home, don't forget to tag me at EHK Customs on Instagram. I'm Enzo, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.